Hans, however, emphasized the need for employees in the industry to adopt new skills to benefit from the new transition or risk being left out from emerging opportunities. Bank Windhoek is largely seen as the driving force behind the Capricorn Group's top earnings, which stands at $1.1 billion after tax. The group, according to its latest report, forked out $678 million in taxes and has paid $44.7 billion in loans and credit. The new success is partially driven by the digital transformation plan, which included cash deposit-friendly automated teller machines, or ATMs, a new mobile banking application, and online banking tools.
So when we started this journey, we already anticipated, yes, that the introduction of digital channels will have an impact on headcount, especially in branches, because, as I said earlier, we are we're migrating transactions, but we are also digitizing in branch. So we started with a very active reduction in terms of headcount, by managing recruitment, long before the actual journey kicked off. To the extent that in our current cycle, the impact is minimal. So we managed vacancies very tightly. We looked at new roles, and we critically evaluated the need for new roles. But we also see that at the same time, there's a need for new skills. And there's also an opportunity to upskill and reskill.
Speaking during the report's launch in Windhoek, Capricorn Group's Chief Executive Officer Tinus Prinsloo says they will pay $354 million in dividends to shareholders, reflecting a 7.2% increase since last year. In addition, the Capricorn Group's total non-performing loans increased by 19% to $1.9 billion, mainly due to COVID-19 pandemic. Bank Windhoek's Chief Financial Officer Vinawne Kamberipa maintains that they remain afloat amidst non-performing loans hitting an upward notch of 5.4% at the entity.
On the non-performing loan side, down 5.4%, and Johan and Bernie spoke to that as well. But I think what I want to show with this slide is that we are down, and it could be you are down because you are writing off loans. It's not that. We are down because we have actually had recoveries, and that's how we handhold customers, work with them, and then most of them were able to recover that 200 million or 100 and something million between last year and this year. Yes, it remains elevated if you compare to 2019, and it's something we'll continue to focus on, obviously, given the macro context in which we operate today.
Access Bank will also acquire the Capricorn Group's loss-making subsidiary in Zambia, Kafmont Bank. Bank Windhoek also celebrates 40 years of operations in Namibia.